Secure cabinet doors and drawers. This U9941 lock can be used to secure cabinet doors, drawers and much more. Durable construction. This drawer and cabinet lock is constructed of diecast and steel components with a stainless steel finish. It's durable and strong, perfect for keeping your small items safe. Comes complete. This drawer and cabinet lock comes complete with 3 cams, a trim collar, 2 reversible rotation washers, 2 keys and fasteners. Key different, Yale Y-11 keyway. Easy installation. Installation is quick and easy. Additional security for your small items and drawers are within reach. It can be mounted to metal or wood, door and/or drawer panels. Product info. This lock features a 3/4 outside cylinder diameter with a 5/8 length that will accommodate up to 5/16 thick panels. For all dimensional information, please refer to the line art and compare to your needs before purchasing. For further dimensional information, please see the line drawing. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Just what I needed for my overhead electronics box on my boat.